um a Minecraft. We're gonna continue that video build thing. Oh, like cool, do that. Hey guys, you can try that. Oh. To continue.
It's me and you. What do you mean it's me and you? That doesn't make any sense. There's spots for both of us. For what, when we die? Yeah. Okay, that's a little weird. Why are you thinking about us dying? Do you plan on doing something I don't know about? No. Okay, chill. You gotta relax. You are being way too crazy in this video. I really want to open up a ruby chest. Can I get one of those? We can, and I actually know the perfect location. Are you ready to go get one? Let's do it. Alright, follow me. Come here. Wait, the stronghold? Isn't this hard? Okay, listen. Maybe it's hard for some people, but not a pro like me. Watch this. Oh my gosh, you're killing all of them. I told you I'm goated. Just go ahead and help me out with your gun, and this is gonna be the easiest thing I've ever did. See, look at that. Round 1 is already done. Let's go upstairs. Come on, we got them. Start killing them. Oh my gosh, wait, you got.
Who's that bee? Okay, that's impossible. Dude, this is so... Dude, why do I even need a crouch? Like, even if I do crouch, it just helps me a little bit more. Crouching this... Wait, what's that sound? Guys, let's put up the volume. Okay, that's not a nice... I don't think I like that sound. Dude, it's like I'm hitting a tin can, really weak. Wait, even when I step on it. Whoa! Even if when I jump on it. Dude, copper stuff is really cool. I told you. Dude, this copper stuff, I like it. Dude, I like this up. Sonic Bulldog. And also, if you've seen from all of our big build episodes, it hasn't turned night. And the sun isn't moving. Well, it's because I added a cheat where it's always day. Yes, I'm not, except guys, I'm not a cheater.
Roblox Strongest Battlegrounds with Amy. Oh my gosh.
Go there. Sorry. Okay. Dude, this is... Also, the last big build episode part 2 yet. They did this! Okay, this, why did I get rid of the grass block I put in my inventory on the big build episode part 1? Yep. And actually, since they asked for this, I think I'll add this for them later. I'll add it on one of my other parts. I promise, guys. I'm also Cyrus was using TNT in this spot. I'm not sure how. But then I got a custom mod where there is custom TNT. He actually makes me have to do all the work. Dude, I wish there's like a TNT that can like summon blocks. And also, guys, don't name me a cheater. I'm not cheating. Just because I have one cheat doesn't mean I'm a full cheater, right? Can somebody say right in the comments that I'm not a cheater just because I added a cheat on? Like, everybody adds a cheat. Like, not just me. I'm not a cheater. The other YouTubers cheated before me. Like, I'm not cheating. There. Okay, got him. Just by looking all of that. I really want somebody to help me. Who did all of this? No, wait. Dude, why did they mess everything up? Dude, they really want to know me so much. What if it's something? Oh, it's the slimes. I thought that the powdered snow sounded like the. Dude, who the hell put that? And if this is Staten, I'm speaking to you right now, Pandaside 2. I'm speaking to you right now. Did you do this? Alright. And if you did, you're so dead by me. Are you serious? Even the floor. Everybody's actually gonna make me lose my mind soon. One day I'm gonna be losing my mind after this. For some reason, I'm still building this, even though no matter how hard this thing is to build, it's like, look at this. Like, when you look at it from here, that's not that much. But then when you look on here, look how much you gotta. Why is my lips green? This kind of looks pretty cool. Nope, nothing changes. Okay, it even makes. They have ruined everything. Dude, like, look how much mess this is. Like, this is not an easy build. I need to build so much, and I can't build any of it because I need to finish up these patches. So, like, if somebody else joins me, it won't like look ugly. Like, I don't want an ugly house. Like, except that's my problem. It's so big. And it'll take me forever. And also, even though it looks darker, the sun's still there. Like, it was there from the very beginning. When I was still building the roof right there. When I was building it, it was still in the middle and it hasn't left its spot. And I'm still not officially a cheater. And if you think I'm a cheater, come on, face me, fight me. Like, I'll kill all of these slimes. You, Mr. Slimy. Okay, that one nobody will notice since it's a little bit far. Wait, what's this block? Oh, that's the paler. This will take forever, and the first thing I need to do is the roof. Actually, no, I think I'll do the roof later. Then if I do it now, then I'll be left with the harder stuff. And for a matter of fact, like, I always start with the harder stuff. So, like, later in the end, I'll only do easy stuff. Doesn't that make sense? Like, you guys should do that too. Like, if you're, like, gonna do it. like some writing at school, I think I would always start with the long one before the easy. Then what will be left is the easiest part. Oh my. Nah, I think I went my block early. Yeah. Dude, this is gonna take forever. Don't think I like that sound. Maybe I'll strip it off. I'll strip it with a copper axe. Yeah, copper stuff is now invented. Even stripping it sounds ugly. Wait, let's see if it. Watch this, I'm a parkour god.
What is doing?
See? Okay, let's go. Okay, I just went flying past it all. Yeah, I'm a parkour master. Wait a second. Oh, I got an idea. Yeah, that's gonna make whoever joins this. Dude, I think this is gonna be so good. Well, I think I'll show you guys that thing I'm gonna show on part 4. Weapons, if you want to see what I'm planning on to make on this part, like, let's see how many parts will it take me to finish this. Like, I call it a big build because it's not just big, it's an ultra big build. Okay, Sean. Okay, so I'll do something that'll make me so happy if you guys do it. And some people might already guess it. If you did guess it, tell me in the comments on part 4. Tell me in the comments, okay, guys? Which the part 4 won't be long from this video. It's actually gonna be the next video after this. So when this finishes, the part 4 is already uploaded, so please subscribe. Well guys, I think I'll end this here. Bye, like, subscribe.